Hey everyone, and welcome to Boobly's World Cuisine. Today I'll make another puff pastry sprinkle bake. This one is absolutely gorgeous for kids' parties. You can spark up your Christmas party with these puff pastry bakes, and they will make a lovely snack for any kids' birthday parties. Let's get started. I will be using some ready rolled puff pastry sheets here, which I have there, and as spread, I'm using some cream cheese. For sprinkles, today I'm going to use this Dr. Oetker one. They have some lovely ones inside. Okay, now cookie cutter, you can use any shape of your choice, but I'm going to use some star ones. They will make lovely appetizers. Okay, while handling puff pastries, always make sure they are fresh and you thaw them properly. Once they are properly thawed, you want to roll them out. This is one sheet, and to that, I'm going to add some spread. For today's recipe, I want to use some cream cheese and I'm going to spread it all over the sheet. If your sheet is nicely thawed and if it's fresh, then you don't have any problem in using it. So it's going all over. And once that's done, it's time to put some sprinkles on. Just these two ingredients for making something lovely. Okay, I have decided which ones to use. I'm going to go for this one. Okay, just spread it all over and you can go for as light or as dense as you like. I'm using two varieties here. One is round ones and the other one is the tall ones. Okay, now this is optional, but I always like to do it. I press them gently using a sheet in the middle so that the sprinkles can stick to the puff pastry sheet as well as the filling inside. Okay, once that's completely done, your sheet is ready to be cut. I have a big star cookie cutter here and a small one. And as I said, you can just go with your imagination or you can use anything you have handy. While cutting them, you want to make sure that you don't waste much. So what I do is I cut the smaller ones in between the gap that was created. Okay, all of them are done and they already look absolutely gorgeous. It's time to put them in the baking sheet. You want to make sure there are some space in the middle. And now I have baked them for 12 to 15 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius oven. They already look cute and you can just put them on a plate like this, but I like to do a little bit further. So these are some barbecue sticks, which I'm going to put on the big stars. And for the small ones, I'm just using regular toothpick. They look lovely. And the best thing is you can use any color of sprinkles that you desire. They make a lovely kids' birthday party appetizer and snacks. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's very simple to make them and it will just sparkle up your kids' birthday party. I'm also on Instagram at boobliesworldcuisine.com. If you follow me there and if you make this appetizer, please share a photo with me. Thank you everyone for watching and bye for now.